Kohler's small block Command Pro engines have the most factory options in our lineup. From air compressors to ZTRs, Kohler offers a configurable solution for all the equipment in your fleet. Packed with features and technology, Command Pro EFI engines are now available with electronic throttle body. This provides quick engine response and allows the user the ability to remote start and stop their equipment, meaning less wasted steps on the job site. We make commercial durability standard on Kohler Command Pro engines. Features like full flow oil coolers and chopper grass screens provide reliability in the field, and hydraulic lifters mean zero maintenance on the valve train, keeping your equipment in the field longer. So, if you buy your equipment to last, choose Kohler Command Pro for all of your individual and fleet needs.